course, Mini Bike Coalition, baby.
What's up, everybody? Mini Bike Coalition here. Of course, the Malachi Mini Bike Show wouldn't be complete without some rain.
That's right.
So we have everybody trying to rush around, get things hidden, tarped up, whatever. Got Bobby Hammond in the house. Woo! And oh man, they're gonna get your bike all clean. Pretty good turnout so far. We'll see some more here soon. Bobby. Damn, boy.
I'm paying for a fire.
Okay, brother?
Oh, it's definitely melted my skin, bro.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, turn
I had to
on.
pull these bitches off.
You good?
You alright? It went out before I got them all the way off.
Dang.
We were moving, guys. We was moving.
You're looking a little pale, brother. Mini Bike Coalition here, y'all. We are at the Malachi Mini Bike Show here in Oklahoma City, Lake Draper. We have, of course, my bikes hanging out front. We got Zane from Go Power Sports here doing some filming. We got my beautiful wife running the stand doing raffle tickets. Also, bike registrations. You guys check out the trophies. Looking pretty cool. A lot of people so far. So we're gonna walk through. I'm gonna let you guys check out some of the bikes that are here so far, and then there's more people pouring in, so stay with me. Still a little bit of weather coming at us. We're gonna just hang out and hunker down if we need to, cover the bikes up if necessary. But it's gonna be a blast. We're having a lot of fun out here, so y'all stay. Oh. I'm gonna have you guys come over here a little bit. All right, guys. So we have a couple cool raffle items to give away. And I was going to do the 3, but, you know, a bunch of people chipped in. So I got some grips we're going to throw in there first. And what we're going to do is I'm going to give this bad boy we're going to give it a shaking. All right. And for the grips, we're pulling it out. Go ahead. Not that one. All right. Fred?
Big dog, hey, I told y'all.
Come on, Fred. Come on, Fred. He got him some grips. Whenever he gets himself another mini bike.
Back in there.
Right on.
They're gonna say eek.
All right. How much you want? The next thing we got here is a 10-inch Go Power Sports split rim. Reach on. Chris S. Come on in with it, brother. Right on. Right.
Yeah.
Hold on. There's 2. All right, we got 4753. 4753. Bada boom. Split 10-inch rim, brother. No, sir. Check it in. All right. Okay. This one here is for this sweet little rock crawler RC from Matco.
Okay, ready? Which one do you want to grab? It's Dad.
Oh, Dad! All right.
They love me.
She wanted that dinner tonight.
It literally just says Dad on it. No.
There's your sweet RC crawler.
Race is on, Fred.
Yeah, it's on.
Yeah, race maybe not so much, but it'll climb up some cool stuff. All right, guys. This is the big one.
Take the crap out of it.
This one here.
Get drawn on this, but I'm just to leave. I'm like something.
Popcorn that. All right, this one right here is for the Tilliston motor. Tilliston 212.
Hold on, let me buy a ticket.
Again.
Man.
Seriously?
Yeah.
You want me to put one of them back? Because you know
No, you can warm both of them.
That's how it
That's
goes,
fair.
man. That's 773.
I got to see here.
Everybody saw that was fair and square.
That's fair, man.
It's rigged.
Yeah,
Anybody else want these tickets? No.
All right.
50% off, whatever else gets going.
We got a drag trophy here for number 16. Number 16. He said, step back. Run a beautiful bike. And basically. All right. All right. For our custom build, number 32. Number 32. Oh, yeah. That was a sweet bike, brother. Yeah. All right. Best cruiser. Number 23. Number 23. All right. Well, he's beat bobbing around on the trail, hopefully not stuck. Also, whenever this is done, if you'll bring your winning bike up so that we can get a picture of you with the trophy.
Yeah, there's still $125
right.
gift cards out in the trails too. By the way.
Stand by. Same tip. You guys. Okay, hold on. We are gonna go real quick while they look at this one. We have our best off-road build, number 36. Boom. Number 36. Boom. Wow. Best off-road. No, I'm kidding. Congratulations, brother.
Wait. You gotta hold up. Yeah.
You sure it's what to do? All right. There was a slight typo there. There was a 0. I know there's not 110 bikes here. So, this is our clapped out trophy. And clapped out is, I mean, come on, guys, a clapped out build. So, number 11. Number 11. He's out on the trail. Sister's going to come claim it for us.
Okay.
All right, right here.
2, 3.
All right, and then we got our paint job pimp. Number 33. Number 33. Right on, brother. Beautiful bike.
Thank you, man. Appreciate it.
Your trophy, sir.
Okay. Here, quick. 1, 2, 3. And one more. Excellent.
All right.
All right, dude. Thank you.
All right, so that portion is done. However, there is still two Easter eggs out there. And where's Chris at? There's Chris. Chris has a hint for us.
Which one got found? Okay, so there's one.
Bigfoot got found.
Yeah, so Bigfoot got found. What was that one? It's a Chili Pepper song. What could the other hit be?
I don't know, guys, but there's a lot of
Man?
trash out there,
Wizard of Oz?
and it's like picking up trash while you're out there, and trash you can pick up. That gets rewarded as well.
You already know. Get back out there.
Yeah, if you see a silver lid, turn it back into the jack or something.
So-
Gas tank lid.
Silver gas tank lid. We're also looking for a silver gas tank lid. That comes with custom built from Buffalo Bill. I'm kidding.
It's right in the middle of the trail.
Right in the middle of the trail. He would.
It's
would
on
greatly
the trail.
appreciate that. So that's what we got. We have a Chili Pepper song as a.
That's a damn good classic.
Okay.
I'm not gonna say it. You gotta think of all the good hit songs.
Hit songs by the Red Hot Chili Peppers. All right. Then we got. Maybe the Wizard of Oz, the Tin Man. So you guys, the Tin Man and Red Hot Chili Peppers hit song. Happy hunting. Be looking for those pickle jars.
I'm gonna say under the bridge.
Time to even it out.